Hello, let's get this porch plasterboarded. We're back inside at the porch. We're ready to start plasterboarding now. The electrician's been, so we're going to start sheeting all this. We've a wee couple of things to finish off on this wall before we're ready to sheet it, but we're going to crack on with the main house. And first of all, we're going to start off getting this wee scaffold tower built so we can get up here.
Full sheet, and do you want to go again?
You take advantage of this amazing offer. You see, windows from the Cairngorm Group are built.
Isabel, you'll know the feeling, the fear, the denial. Holding out for this one.
Hardwood plywood, only 25%.
The hilarious new action film directly through England into crime. Diamond Shine.
Ceiling's done. Wasn't too difficult. Quite hard to film it in here. There's just no room with a scaffold here, but those sheets are on. It's got that single light coming through. Now we're on to this wall. So we're going to put this middle piece on first and overhang it slightly down onto these areas. Get the two ends in, and then we'll use up loads of cuts because it's just lots of thin strips after that. And under the windows.
Addicted to being like, yeah, I got sucked. I'm good. Well, there was. Well, what you can do?
That's all that plasterboard complete on those walls and the ceiling. Window returns all done. We could have finished this wall today, but we actually need a couple of plumbing connections for the wastes, so we can't quite finish that. So in the meantime, kill time for the ferry, we're going to start cutting all the corner tapes and everything for the windows. And didn't really want to be doing the taping, but because of where we are, we'll never get anyone to come here. So we'll make a restart on that this afternoon, then tomorrow get this wall rattled, and then probably start taping and filling. Morning guys, we have sorted our drains, got them with the rubber seals on, so they're secure and no smells or anything. And we've got our VCL on, and we've got the start of our straps. So we're just going to continue getting this service batten on, and then we're ready to start the last of the sheeting.
Martha Brown. There once was a woman who lived in a shoe. Aside from smoking, what could she do? But that's been relocated to a box with views of
The angles went away somewhere.
So just move it over a bit on top. Yeah, that's looking good.
That's the job white. All the plasterboard's on, all shaved down, tidied up, cut out all the wee broken corners, and a good sweep and a dust and a hoover. So we are ready to now start moving on to tape and filling, which we don't really like doing, but given where we are, we don't really have much option. So that'll be tomorrow's task. So all the tapes are on in here now. We're just giving it a wee clean up with scrapers, wee white sand where needed, and getting the second coat on.